Autumn is a fantastic time of the year to be out in the garden because the days are so much cooler. Here are some ideas in April to get your garden looking great. April is a fantastic time to plant your citrus. They come in different varieties like the mandarins, limes and oranges. Citrus are big feeders, so you need to head out to your local store, speak to one of your team members and inquire about what type of feed you need to have for your plants. And of course there are other things you can plant. What about some new shrubs to spice up your garden? Hibiscus, grevilleas and camellias are ready for planting. Add some colour too. Daisies, pansies, lobelias create a great show in the garden or in pots. Spring isn't the same without some bulbs. There are so many varieties like anemones, freesias and jonquils. And don't forget the vegetable patch either. Broccoli, cabbages, cauliflowers, celery, onions, peas, rocket and spinach are good to go in. Broad beans are all-time favourite, but you need somewhere for them to climb. If you want advice about what to get, pop into the store and we'll give you all the help you need. This is what you can harvest out of your garden. You've got tomatoes, chilies, which are fantastic, cucumbers, zucchinis, carrots and eggplants, and lettuce, great dishes for winter. Autumn is a fantastic time to do some raking, get those leaves into those compost bins. Cut back any shrubs or native grasses that need it. Remove dead wood, spent flowers and trim to shape. Nourish shrubs and plants with a seaweed solution. Builds resistant and help to protect against frost in colder weather. With autumn rains comes weeds, so keep on top of these and pull them when they're young. Get out of the garden this weekend, it's good for your soul and it's good for the garden. If you need any advice, head out to one of your local stores and speak to one of our experts. We're here to help. Click here for more garden advice and click here to get back to the website.